It is Gabby again. You probably already know that. I say that in every single vlog. Well, video, whatever. I'm going to be doing mixing all my slimes together, so yeah. I don't want to make a long intro. Okay, so first you're gonna need a bowl. I got a bowl, my mixing bowl. And some slimes. I'm going to be mixing 3 of my and the first slime we're going to start with is this slime. Now, I don't know. I don't really like this slime that much because the beads get everywhere. So, but this is kind of crunchy. Okay, I'm back. And the second slime, the dos slime we're going to do is butter slime. This is butter slime. And I put little foam balls, those little tiny foam balls in here. So and yeah. Hold on, I want to get a bubble. Yeah, no. So, yeah. Woo! Okay. Yeah, let's just plop this right here. Set it right down next to it. Okay. Dress slime. No, we're going to do dress slime. We're going to do my fluffy slime. This is my fluffy slime. And yeah. Now it has these little beads in it. If you can't see it, it has like little tiny beads, like only a few of them, because that's all I really put. So I don't know why, but I did put those in, and yeah, this is the fluffy slime. And yeah, let's just pop this right in there. It's already like 2 minutes. Put it right down in there. And I'm gonna let it flatten a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so it's all flattened now. And now I'm just going to mix it. And let's just mix it all around. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, like purple's taking over. Oh my gosh. Probably because there's 2 things of purple and only like 1 yellow. These are all my slimes. Oh my gosh. Well, only 3 of my slimes. I have 2 more over there, which I'll be showing you in my next video. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see this? I'll be right back with you. Yeah. It looks like poop. I want to try to make a bubble. Shoot. These bees are getting all over my floor. No, I can't do it. Okay, yeah. Probably have to vacuum in here after this video is over. Okay. And yeah. Okay, so that was it for today's video, whatever. Yeah, I mixed in all my slimes, and it looks like there's like, you probably can't see on camera, but purple like basically took over. And There's like a little bit of tinted yellow. You can't really see it though. And yeah, hope you liked today's video. Like and subscribe. Thumbs down if you want to. I don't really care. Subscribe if you want to be a part of my videos. I don't know. I may be doing just whoever comments or subscribes, I will be shouting your name out. Basically like a shout out, I don't know. I'm just gonna be saying your thing if you want me to. And yeah, hope you liked today's vlog. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, comment, and comment what type of slime is your favorite slime. So yeah, bye guys!